Hi guys, today we will talk about how to block contacts on your Tinder app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. Just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to the next window here, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings. Then when you click here, it's going to take you to the next window here, and you just go down here, then you keep going and you come here to block contacts. You click here, then it's going to take you here, and here on contacts you will find all. So you search here for a name or a number, and it's going to show for your person, and you just click uh, and you click to him, and it's going to block so or block this person on your Tinder app. That's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.